Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove items from your list or your wish list on StockX. So if you are seeing the items, let's say under your recent items, you can easily go ahead and just remove them, right? Just simply click on them like that and simply click on the drop down and just simply uncheck it and confirm, and you remove it from your watch list, right? So that's how you'll be able to remove them. However, guys, if you don't want to do it like this, let me go ahead and add it back into my list, right? I'm gonna go ahead and choose a size right here as well so that you can see. Let's go back here and select list, and that's it. Right, so alternatively, how you can do it is to simply go to your uppermost right hand side and hover over your account that you see at the top right. And once you do that, or you can click on it, whichever, go to the favorites on the left, and you will be able to find your list right here. And so you can go ahead and open up any list that you have, and you'll be able to find the items, and just simply click the three dots and simply click remove from list. And you can also remove it from all favorites as well. So if you want to remove it from all favorites and you want to remove it from your list, it's really up to you. Simply go ahead and click remove, and that's it. It's removed from this list. Now, once you remove it from this list, it doesn't mean that it's going to remove from all favorites. It's going to still be under your all favorites, but it will just be removed from the list. And that's how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.